Hey Abhi, how are you today?
Hey, I'm doing good, Madhu. How are you?
Fantastic. It's again a lockdown time and 161st or 162nd day. I'm just counting on it in Melbourne. We are in Melbourne, and I hope the lockdown ends really, really soon, Abhi.
Absolutely. I think it's another lockdown, and hopefully this should not last for long. That's what we're hoping for. All right, Madhu.
Hmm.
I thought I just wanted to catch up with you and check what are you doing in the lockdown.
There are a lot of things, and obviously, is one thing that I thought would be really, really useful is starting up a new series, apart from the normal Inspiring Ideas podcast.
Let's share how we came up with this idea. So I think this is interesting. Like I and Madhu talk quite frequently, and we always check with each other. What are you watching? Have you read an interesting book or an article, or have you heard recently a very good podcast? And we share with each other, and then we go about listening to it, and share notes with each other. This is one of our ways to learn. And I was talking to Madhu, and we thought, okay, that's great, a good learning between both of us. Why don't we share it with everyone? And that could be a new show.
Because every time you ask a person, what are you doing, what do they say? I'm either watching YouTube or Netflix or Amazon Prime or whatever, right? OTT that we have today. So why don't we actually think about giving something great in terms of a package every whatever number of frequency that we really wanted to give audience to, and then let's share the goodness.
In our show, we are not going to recommend any Netflix series or Amazon Prime series because everyone is aware about it. The intent here is to share something which is very interesting and is also educational at the same time,
Beyond the obvious.
beyond the obvious. That's right. All right, let's get started, Madhu. So today we just got about 2 to 3 recommendations for everyone, and I can start with my first recommendation, which is called Stuff You Should Know. And this is hosted by Josh and Chuck. And what they do is that they select very, very interesting topics, very different set of topics, and they do amazing amount of research about this particular topic. And after that, they convert into a particular episode.
And I can actually relate this to the number of questions my kids ask me every single day. And, all I have to do is just ask them to come and listen to this. And if it's going to be a short ones, it's even more interesting, isn't it?
Absolutely. One of the episodes that I really liked is called The Science of Cute. They share how cuteness is such an important factor in the evolution of the species. And they share really good examples. One of the stories they share in this episode is about Mickey Mouse from Disney.
Yeah.
There were some scientific studies done about what makes someone look more cute, and the Disney animators got hold of that particular paper, and they made changes to the way the Mickey Mouse would appear. It made him look more cuter, and that resulted in a huge success of Mickey Mouse. And everyone loves Mickey Mouse.
It's all about the presentation, isn't it?
Yeah, kind of. And they talk about the scientific study behind it. Also, like the other interesting example they shared is about babies. How babies are born, and they look cute, and that's one of the reasons why people care for them. Like even if they are not their parents, and that has resulted, in human beings surviving and growing and thriving over a period of time. And on the flip side, they talk about if something doesn't look cute, what is the impact of that. So it's a fantastic episode. It's called The Science of Cute, and I would definitely recommend people to go and listen to that particular episode.
Yeah, beautiful. Mine is I recently had a chance to look at TED Talk on Tim Ferriss. So he did a fantastic job. The topic is the hard choices. What we most fear doing, asking, and saying are often exactly the ones that we need to do, isn't it? So how can we overcome self-paralysis and take action? So Tim Ferriss encourages us to fully envision and write down our fears in detail in a simple but extremely powerful exercise he calls fear setting. In case you have not seen it, please, my friends, just go and visit, and that 13 minutes will be really life-changing.
The episode name is Why Should You Define Your Fears Instead of Your Goals? And that's
The one.
available in YouTube. Madhu,
And
like any key learnings for you from from this particular episode that you adopted in your life?
yeah, I mean, going into the detail actually helped a lot in terms of whether we are magnifying the fear or is it just the fear. It's nothing. So basically, trying to decipher and act with consciousness That actually helped a lot. In fact, I've started to use it with my kids as well. They love it. We've got a big whiteboard at home and started to use it.
All right, that was our second recommendation. Madhu, do we have a bonus recommendation as well?
Why not? And I'd strongly recommend my friends go and check out Inspiring Ideas. Abhi, do you want to very quickly show the LinkedIn page for Inspiring Ideas? And that's something that we, Abhi and I, have worked for the last 1 year. We've interviewed some fabulous people across 9 countries, and they've shared their knowledge and wisdom across a number of different topics. Mainly around artificial intelligence, data, cloud, and startups, and how to survive. Please, my friends. So if you can go and check out, get benefited.
That's a very good self-promotion, Madhu. Yeah, other than that, what's your recommendation?
I would strongly recommend a gentleman to follow in LinkedIn, because these days, in the lockdown especially, we have seen millions and millions of people, especially in India and other parts of the world, trying to get a LinkedIn account and connect with people and experts around the world. Isn't it important that we actually learn and continuously learn, which gives us enormous happiness? I would say yes, a strong yes to me, and I'm sure that's the case with you. Derek Mildred. Thank you so much, Derek Mildred. I think what we have done from our Inspiring Ideas podcast is we have learned a lot from you, and you have guided us in terms of creating a LinkedIn profile, not just for us, and also for the Inspiring Ideas page. The wisdom that you have shared has been phenomenal.
Yeah, I mean, like, Derek is a great profile to follow because he shares amazing insights for everyone, especially around how you can improve your LinkedIn profile, how you can increase your network. Okay. And recently he did a series called 30 LinkedIn Tips in 30 Days. Fantastic series. I would request you to, check out those details in LinkedIn. And the other one, which I recently attended, which was summit that was organized by Derek, and it's called the LinkedIn Global Influencer Summit. Now, in this summit, he invited one of the top influencers around the world, and they shared their stories, they shared their secrets, they shared how we can learn from them. And so strongly recommend people to follow Derek, and thanks, Derek, for all your help and support over a period of time.
We are right on time, Abhi. So thank you so much, my friends, for listening to this and seeing this. And we'll continue to evolve and give strong recommendations in the weeks and months to come. We haven't coined any name for this show, isn't it, Abhi? Did we?
That's right. So, and like people, you can come up with a name. What you think we should be the name for this particular show, and also you can also share your suggestions, and we'll feature them in our future episodes.
Feel free to comment, like, and subscribe to the channel Inspiring Ideas.